Hi everyone, I'm VBSon, and I'm back. It's been a while since my last video, and I'm really sorry for the delay. The past 2 months have been quite hectic with so many things going on, but thankfully, everything has now settled down peacefully. From now on, I'll do my best to upload at least 1 video every week, so please stay tuned, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you find my videos helpful. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's dive into today's content. Welcome to the second video in our Outlook series. Today, I'll show you how to create rules in Outlook. I'll walk you through how to set up 2 types of rules. First, move messages with specific words in the subject to a folder. Second, move messages from someone to a folder. Let's get started. First, go to the Home tab and click on Rules. If you see an error message at this point, that means you need to sign in with a Microsoft account. After signing in, close and reopen Outlook. That should fix it. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free on the Outlook website. When entering your birth date, make sure to pick a date that shows you're over 18. Some features won't be available for underage accounts. Now, let's set up our first rule. Move messages with specific words in the subject to a folder. Click on specific words, then type in the keyword. I'll use test for this example. Add it, then click next. Click specify folder, choose your target folder. In this case, I'll use test folder, then continue. Skip any exceptions if you don't need them. Name the rule. I'll just name it test, but you can name it anything you like, and click the finish. Make sure the checkbox next to the rule is checked so it's active. Let's do a quick test. I'm going to send an email with test in the subject. As we can see, it was automatically moved into the test folder. Success! You can also run this rule on the existing emails. Go to Rules, Manage Rules and Alerts, Run Rules Now. Check the test rule and click Run Now. Outlook will instantly move all matching emails from your inbox into the test folder. Super handy for batch processing. Next, let's set up the second rule. Move messages from someone to a folder. Click Next, then choose People or Public Group. Enter the email address of the sender you want to filter. Click OK, then Next. Choose your destination folder. I'll use VBSon folder. Then continue through the next steps and click Finish. Let's test that too. I'll send an email from this address, and yep, it lands directly in the VBSon folder. Perfect. Now, what if an email matches both rules? Say, it's from that sender and also has test in the subject? Outlook will follow the order of the rules listed. The rule at the top will be applied first. So, if the test rule is above the VBSon rule, the email goes into the test folder. Let's move the test rule up and test it again. And just like that, it lands in the test folder just as expected. So, when should we use rules? Here are a few perfect use cases. First, assignments or project submissions. Whether it's students submitting homework or teams sending project updates, you can filter all emails with a specific subject phrase into one folder. Super helpful for organizing. Second, VIP senders. For important people like your boss, key clients, or family members. Create dedicated rules and folders so you will never miss their emails, even in a crowded inbox. Third, routine reports, daily inventory, sales, collection reports, or any other kind of recurring emails can be auto-sorted with rules, saving you tons of time. That's it for today's video. Try it out yourself. And if you combine this with the trick I showed in the last video, auto-launching Outlook at the startup, your email automation will be even more powerful. In the next video, I'll show you how to automatically download email attachments to a specific folder using Outlook rules. Don't miss it. I'm VBS Song. Thanks for watching.